I'm following the stragglers. We're moving about 125 of them this morning from one pasture to another. It includes cows and heifers. We have the steers in a different pen. In just a second I'll show you the steers. They're over here to the left. They're over here in their pen, grazing. So I'll have to drive them up the hill here in a minute so they can get up to where they need to be. This is how I'm getting part of my walk in this morning, guys. The cows that have done this before, we move them this way often. So they're used to the routine. They know where they're going. There's the steers again. They're enjoying being in this fresh grass to be able to eat. It's a nice cool morning. Not much traffic. Whenever we move them, we try to do it early of a morning so that we don't interfere with our neighbors traveling up and down the gravel road. That's just common courtesy. Come on, girls, let's go. Come on. Shh, 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 shh. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. We'll do cattle drives after we also have the baby calves, and I'll try to record those for you too so you can see them. Come on, 619. Come on. Shh, 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 shh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Shh. 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 Come on. Come on. Shh. Come on. Come on. Come on, girls, go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Shh, 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 shh. Shh, 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 shh. Shh, 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 shh. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Shh. Come on. Shh, 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 shh. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, I'm recording it. I can share it with my ag students and my students. Come on, let's go. Come on. Shh, 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 shh. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on.